On 10/22/20 at approximately 10:11 hours, officers Krause and Wilson were dispatched to 4103 Beltline Ordway, Addison, Dallas County, TX, Red Roof Inn, in reference to a criminal trespass. Upon arrival, officers contacted the reporting person, Kamal Kumar Kishore Bhai Patel, in front of room 209. Patel stated the occupant of room dial 209 was being very hostile toward his staff, and he would like her trespassed off the property. Patel stated he would also refund the occupant's money. Officers contacted the arrestee, Keyana Clark, at room 209. Clark had previously contacted PD several times in the last 24 hours. Clark was very uncooperative and hostile during each previous contact. Patel told Clark in the presence of officers to leave the property due to her behavior, and he would refund her money. Officers explained to Clark several times why Patel wanted her off the property and that he intended to refund her money. Clark would not listen to Patel or officers and continued to yell and argue. Officers tried multiple times to get Clark to leave the property and explained the situation repeatedly. Clark continued to yell, argue, and remain non-compliant. Officers repeatedly gave Clark opportunities to leave the location. Clark remained non-compliant, forcing officers to place her under arrest for criminal trespass in the name and by the authority of the state of Texas. Keyana Nicole Clark, hereinafter called defendant, on or about the 22nd day of October, 2120 in the county of Dallas, state of Texas, did then there intentionally and knowingly enter and remain on property of another, namely Kamal Kumar Kishore Bhai Patel and Red Roof Inn, hereinafter called complainant, without the effective consent of complainant, and the defendant had received notice to depart. To wit, the complainant had by oral communications told the defendant to depart, and the defendant thereafter failed to depart. The state of Texas. V.S. Keyanaclarkpeace. Feb 2021. In the County Criminal Court of Appeals 31 of Dallas County, Texas. Now comes the District Attorney of Dallas County, Texas, and asks the court to dismiss the above entitled and numbered cause for the following reasons to wit. This defendant, having been found incompetent to stand trial, was recommended to receive inpatient mental health treatment. When it was determined that defendant has recently participated in outpatient treatment, the state agreed to release her so that she could continue to be fully engaged in mental health services in the community. Wherefore, premises considered, the state respectfully requests that this case be dismissed